Hi, my name is Jessica and today with LiveAlgarve Realty I am showing you a 2-bedroom villa located in Falfeira, which is 5 minutes away from Lagos. Come on, I'll show you around. This property is located on a hill facing west. It gives you sun all day long here. Also, you have panoramic views over the Meia Praia beach and the Monchique mountains. Privacy is on top here. This property is perfect for permanent living or for an investment property. This beautiful property has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There's a beautiful big outside area with a big pool. Also, you can extend the property with an extra bedroom or with something else. Also, it needs a little lick of paint, or you can even go further with your creativity here. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this property as much as I did. Please give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel for more. To book your visit, go to our website and inquire now. And I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful view one more time. Thank you.